So today is our goal to coat the roof of this house and 2 more in the same park. And that's what we're gonna do with what we have here, which is 2 buckets per house of the elastomeric Advantage elastomeric white roof coating. So that is going to be probably be a little less than 2 buckets, but we also have like an 8-inch brush. It's about $12. Key thing to save money. This is at Dollar Tree for like $1.50. I can use this to spread the tar on the edges. And this is just a junky brush that I'm going to use to paint the outside edges with and not have to use that big old brush and slop it off on the side. I can be careful with it. And the handles, I haven't put them on the brushes because I'm going to use the handles to clear out the gutter. I'm going to push it through. And then we have this 2x4 under whatever, a piece of plywood or 2x12 in this case, so that we can put the bucket on it and not be sloping. Feels like it's going to fall over. All right, we'll see you later. Normally I don't get this big of a bucket, but we're doing 3 houses today. But usually get a 1-gallon bucket, and it's a wet and dry all season roof patch. And once you get it on you can get it off. You can wear it off, but you can use any kind of oil product to get it off of your skin. I know that sounds silly, but it's made with oil. It will break down with oil. WD-40, just regular motor oil even, but any kind of spray oil. You put that on, you wipe it off, and it'll let it transfer, break it down so you can transfer it. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna open this up by cutting this tab on this big one. Normally it'd just be a little metal 1-gallon can for one roof like this. Even a bigger house, it would be just 1 gallon. Lifting up the edges on this one. A lot of times in the winter, and once you use this, there'll be water on top. Now, why is there water? It frustrates you. The reason that happens is because there's an air space here, and the temperature on the outside is different than the temperature inside, and that causes condensation. Now, this is a handle, a spatula from Dollar Tree for like $1.50, and I'm going to use it because it doesn't cost much, and I throw it away. Anything else, it would cost anywhere from $10 to more. And so what we're going to do is seal on this end right here, and then alongside the gutter around that edge, show them where that gutter edge is. We're going to seal that up with tar. And then we're going to go over it with that small paint can and a brush and that white elastomeric coating. Notice how 2x4 and whatever material we have on for holding it is holding that bucket pretty level. All right, and so here I go. Do I have to be pretty? No, but I don't want it to stand up. But it does not have to be pretty. There's nothing pretty about this. Yeah, it's pretty good at being messy. And this is the first of 3 we're going to do today. Yeah, you can. I'll let you do it. And I'll do the white stuff over it. We'll do a video when I'm doing it. We also seal around all these vents. And it already has some sealant on it, but I'm going over it because this sealant gets cracks. And by the way, this tar gets cracks in it. Do I seal the whole thing? You know, depends on if there's holes and screws further back, but normally it's just where where it attaches to the roof. That's where it's going to leak. All right, so now I'm going to get into this bucket. Cutting all the little tabs so I can lift up the edges. Now, with this little paint deal, I could scoop it in there, but guess what? It drips constantly, it gets on you. It's better to just take your brush and take the time to wipe big, thick chunks of it in there, and you're gonna come back. And this is what we're going to use to seal up around like the vents, and particularly the reason I've got this is to keep from splashing onto the sides. And so we're not going to get sloppy. We're going to slow and easy and use this old junky brush that I got at a garage sale for $1 or something, or Harbor Freight, buy cheapy brushes, because I don't care about this brush at all. Now, how full, it don't matter. You're going to use it all and come back. And come over here. Cover it up. This is not the hard part. The hard part is doing around the gutter. That's some work, because you got to be careful not to let it go over. Glob it on there. Don't get too fast on the gutter. Should say that this Gardner Wet and Dry says it's 3-year warranty, but it's got fine print underneath it, maybe Spanish. I don't know who you would go to prove that it didn't work. What's going on, Clay? I can't hear you. Well, don't go down in there. You're just on the top. Clay, don't do that. You're going to end up slinging on the house.